In today's video, you'll learn how a forgotten door can get a second life. Instead of ending up in a landfill, it will be transformed into a piece of furniture, one that's stylish, practical, and full of character. The door has seen better days, peeling paint, worn edges, and hinges that have long stopped working. But that's exactly what makes it perfect. Every scratch is a part of its story. The first step is stripping the door down. Old hinges, knobs, and screws are removed and set aside. Some will be reused as decorative accents later on. To prepare the wood, the surface is sanded smooth. Layers of old paint come off, revealing the grain beneath, a hint of the beauty hiding under years of use. There are many directions a door can take: a coffee table, a desk, a headboard, or even a hallway bench. Today, the goal is a vintage-style coffee table, a piece that keeps the door's original charm while making it completely functional. Because doors are typically tall and narrow, the piece is cut down to table proportions. Care is taken to preserve interesting details like the original paneling. A sturdy frame is assembled beneath the door panel. This gives the future table strength and stability. The frame is made from simple pine boards, but once finished, it will blend seamlessly with the door's character. Next come the legs, simple, clean-line supports that complement the rustic surface. Whether modern, farmhouse, or industrial, the leg style shapes the table's final personality. The door still has dents, nail holes, and uneven areas. Instead of erasing every mark, only the structural issues are filled. The rest are left as they are, proof that this table has lived a whole life before today. Now the real transformation begins. A dark walnut stain brings out the natural depth of the wood, while a clear coat protects it for everyday use. The soft sheen gives the piece the elegance of handcrafted furniture. For a finishing touch, the original doorknob is placed on the table's surface as a decorative element, a subtle reminder of what this furniture once was. What was once an aging, discarded door has become a striking coffee table, unique, functional, and rich with history. A piece of furniture that doesn't just fill a room, but tells a story. With creativity and a few tools, even the most ordinary objects can be transformed into something extraordinary. And sometimes, the best builds are the ones that begin with what others throw away. If you want more woodworking DIY inspiration, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future videos. See you next time.